Happy Tuesday, second graders. Let's take a look at our at-home learning calendar. It's Tuesday, January 12th. We're going to start the day with our word of the week, fierce. We've chosen this word because the definition for fierce means wild and likely to attack. And this is a juicy word, an adjective that could be used to describe an animal. And we're reading a lot of nonfiction about animals, which is why this is a perfect word of the week. After you complete your word of the week, you're going to be reading the debate for a second time. You should have highlighted all the skill words, the long A with the magic E words, such as debate, classmate, pancakes. Those are the skill words you should have highlighted yesterday. Now, if you read this for the second time, you will color in this smiley face at the bottom, the second one. After you finish the debate, you read it, and you're hopefully scooping up a lot of words, reading it smoothly. Next, you're going to be listening to two books by the author Jan Brett. One is called The Mitten, and the other is called The Hat. Now, it's important you listen to these prior or before our Zoom meeting. The reason why is because to our Zoom meeting, you are going to be comparing and contrasting with a Venn diagram. It looks like this, two circles overlapping. We will be using those two stories and talking about how they are the same and how they are different. Okay, so please bring this paper to our 9 o'clock Zoom meeting. I'm hoping that you can, right when we show up on Zoom, show me that you have your materials and that you're ready to learn. You'll have a snack break after our Zoom meeting, and then you'll be bringing another paper to our small group meeting. It's called Scavenger Hunt, and it has detectives at the top. We're going to be looking at nonfiction text features and going on the scavenger hunt. So please bring this paper to our small group Zoom meeting. Make sure you're getting all your materials ready, or you're pausing this video and going and getting your materials as you listen to this video so that you have all of them at your learning spot before our Zoom meetings. I know you can do it and be ready to learn. Okay, if you are not in your small group with Mrs. Coslow, you are going to be doing some math boom cards. When you click on the link, it should take you to another site. It looks like this. It says choose your level. So thinking about how you feel in math, you're going to choose which level you would like to do, 3 digits or 4 digits. We know that those are digits are just fancy for numbers. So I might choose 3 digits, and then it's going to be like a game. It says look at the numbers in expanded form, and then we're going to determine the standard form of each number. And then we're going to compare them and drag the symbols, those alligator symbols, greater than, less than, or equal to the middle. It says, let's play. Okay. And you will press the arrow button. So how I began playing was I pressed the arrow button on my keyboard to go forward. And then up here, after I have solved, so I know 300 plus 40 plus 5 is 345. And then 200 plus 70 plus 3 is 273. Now, before I can move on, I have to decide which symbol goes here. I have to compare my numbers. I'm going to compare by looking, first at the hundredth spot. 3 hundreds is greater than 2 hundredths. So easy, I'm going to take the greater sign, and that's eating and facing the greater number, put it in the middle. Then I can hit next. Okay, you're going to keep playing until you can't play anymore, until there are no more problems. But have fun with your boom cards. And then if you have time, practice your math fluency on extra math. Okay, at 11 o'clock, you're going to be clicking this link to do a drag and drop. We're going to talk about nonfiction text features in our small group. Over here, it has different examples of text features, things that are specifically in nonfiction text. And then it's a fun game where you get to match the text feature with its definition. After that, you'll be listening to Crenshaw, chapters 6, 7, and 8. Yesterday, you should have written in your journal, your writer's notebook, your journal, whichever it is that you're writing in, when Mrs. Coslow asks a question after our read aloud. We're going to think about our read aloud, and in the video, it has you stop and it has you answer a question, make a connection, think about the reading. So make sure you have your notebook when you are reading and listening to Crenshaw. After lunch, you'll visit Mrs. Boris with music, and then you'll be choosing a new animal to learn about and record your learning. You can share this with me if you'd like. It was really fun to hear what you learned about and the different animals you chose last week. Down here, we have a bonus for the week. If you would like to do some extra learning, there's some mystery science here at the bottom. Okay, friends, I will see you soon in our Zoom meeting. Thank you for coming ready to learn with all your materials. I will see you soon.